What's going on, you guys? Today I'll be doing the unboxing of the iPhone SE. All right. I've done probably about two unboxings on the SE already, and this is the 32 gigabyte, and it's with the Straight Talk. But here's the thing about this phone, guys. This phone is really necessary still here in 2018 because it's a really cheap budget iPhone that performs really well. Yeah, it has a small screen. It has a very small screen, but it definitely performs very well. I mean, especially for the price. I mean, if you're just looking for a budget phone at the price of like no more than the 150, because this phone I got it for 130, and that's a steal of a price for this device right here. Let me take this. Let me take this off. Hold on. Let me go and remove this. But yeah, that's just a steal for the price. Like you can't really beat that. Like I'm not even gonna lie. You can't even really beat that. And that's like I said, this is like the sim for Straight Talk or whatever. You know, go and put that to the side. And like I said, this is the 32 gigabyte variant. So we're gonna go on to begin with the unboxing. I know you guys, I haven't really been doing reviews on phones lately because it's like, here's the thing with budget phones. Like, and I know I started doing the budget unboxing and reviews for you guys, but it's just that I just found myself. I just felt like I was lying to you guys a lot in my previous reviews and unboxings. Like yeah, like a lot of the phones that I did do an unboxing to, yeah, they were great phones. They were good phones, but you know, like over time, like just a little bit of time passed when you have those phones and they really start to lag and stuff like and like I really want to do unboxing on budget phones that you really not gonna have any issues with, and this is one of them. Like you really not gonna have many issues at all with this device because I mean, if you a person that don't mind having a small screen, then man, this is a powerhouse for you right here. This is one little small powerful device, and let me go and unbox it. Okay, here's the device, the rose gold. That's a really nice device, you guys. It's really nice. I mean, still got the plastic on it. Haven't even removed it yet. That's just that's just a gorgeous device, especially for the price. You can't beat it. And then you have your power brick. You know, Apple power brick. And then you got your lightning cable. You know how that go. All right. And then you have your Apple headphones that that come with. Great thing. Another great thing about this device is it comes with that the headphone jack. So that's always good. You got your speakers at the bottom. You got your front facing camera, back facing camera with your LED flash. Um, your Apple logo, iPhone SE logo at the bottom. Um, yeah, man, it's just a great device. I think the front is like 1.2 megapixels, and the back is like I think a 12 megapixel camera. Honestly, the iPhone SE have a decent set of cameras on it, front and back, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? In my opinion, I think they have great cameras, like really decent cameras on the front and back. A lot of people don't think so, but I do. I do think so. And yeah. So basically, let me put this stuff to the side and do the first boot up, because I'm not gonna take the plastic off until I install a screen protector. And yes, I do have one. Man, this is a fire device. The iPhone SE. That's your SIM. Damn, shaky cam. Sorry, guys. That's the SIM card tray right there. And the volume rockers up and down. And you know your little switch for the solid the phone or whatever. Your power button is gonna be right here on the top. And like I said, your headphone jack, your lightning port, and your speaker. I know one of them is speaker, one of them a mic. Yeah, but like this little guy right here, man, is a powerhouse of a device. It really is. It's a really good device. Yeah, man. Yeah, like honestly, guys, I highly, highly recommend it. I do. I definitely recommend this device, the iPhone SE, man. I mean, you can honestly get this phone right now, like for like $139, like at where's everywhere that got this phone. Then you can go to Walmart and get it on Total Wireless, Family Mobile, Straight Talk, Simple Mobile. You can get it on all four of those in Walmart. And you can actually, and I think they still have them for Metro as well. But I think Metro is gonna be a little higher than the 139. I think Metro gonna be a little higher. So don't quote me on it. Like, so Metro might be like in a 150 to 170 range. You know what I'm saying? But the difference is you will have to activate it through Metro. Like, you can't just buy the phone. Like walking in Walmart, you just pay the 130 and then you can activate it whenever you feel like it. So I definitely recommend it. You know what I'm saying, as a budget device, and it's an Apple device. And you know, a lot of Apple devices, they really strong devices, like, and that's the same thing with the SE. It's a really good phone, like it's a really good device, and I do recommend it. I definitely recommend it. Right now I'm currently using the iPhone 7 Plus as my main phone, and like, even if you already got like a high-end iPhone device, you know, I'm not saying that my phone is a high-end, because so many iPhones coming out, but at such a high price. They coming out at such a high price right now. And if you just want an Apple device, I mean, come on now, like for 130, I mean, you can't beat the price of this app, and it's still an Apple device. You see what I'm saying? You can't beat the price of this device at all. Like, you just can't beat it. Like, so I definitely highly recommend this phone. You know what I'm saying? I mean, seriously, because the prices with these iPhones now, man, they just outrageous, man. So if you can catch a deal on the iPhone, go for it. Like, seriously. I will be doing the unboxing. I will be doing this full review really soon. I haven't never done a full review of this phone yet. So late 2018, right, like sometime around December, I will be doing the full review of this device. And in the beginning of December, as a matter of fact, because I already could do it. I could do it now, but I'm gonna just wait till like December, because I got another 2 phones that I'm gonna be doing the unboxing on as well around my birthday on the 3rd. on December 3rd. So yeah, make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying, holla at me, man. I mean, I want to like really do a lot more of these phone reviews, man. I'm gonna leave my Cash App, you know, in the description, just in case anybody want to donate. I don't care, 50 cent, dollar, $2, whatever you can. You know, I mean, you don't have to donate. I'm just saying, like, if you want to, I mean, just to help me out with getting like new phones, a new product, man, for the channel, man, and start doing reviews like I used to do. You know what I'm saying? So just y'all just stay tuned, man. I mean, I'm actually going to tell y'all what phones I'm gonna get. It's gonna be two of the same phone, but different colors. It's actually gonna be the LG G6 from Boost Mobile. I'm gonna go on the switch a number because the deal stopped January 7th up here where I'm at. So I'm gonna go on to get that on the 3rd, and I'm gonna try to get the unboxing to y'all by the 3rd or the 4th. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Yeah, man. God bless you guys, man. iPhone SE, highly recommended, man. Really cheap device, man. And it's a really powerful, small device that you can carry everywhere. Let me put this to the side really fast. I did order a case for this device, but as you see, I ordered red, but they sent me a pink case, and I also ordered some glass screen protectors for this phone as well, which they sent me 2 of them. Only paid 99 cents for these screen protectors, so and $1 for this case as well. But it's supposed to be red, but they sent me pink. It don't matter though. I'ma just buy another one. Not order it this time. It took a minute for this stuff to get here anyway. So yeah. So like I said, man, thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Rakim, man. And please hit that like and subscribe, man. I'm definitely gonna provide y'all with more content on this channel. And definitely I'm gonna give you guys more content, man. Cause I know, man, a lot of my day ones, man, that been on my channel, man, been looking forward to like reviews and stuff. And like, I don't want to have to keep buying the same phones over and over. You know what I'm saying? Because like, it ain't nothing that really been coming out that been really catching my eye like that. Like, because I want to give you guys like budget phone reviews, but when I buy these budget phones, I want to make sure that they're gonna be long lasting for you guys. Like, I don't want to just get a phone and then 3 days later the phone is just lagging ridiculously. Like, I want to just get phones where you that you guys can enjoy when you buy it with your hard-earned money. You know, you see what I'm saying? I don't want to tell you guys to get a phone that's really not really popping like that. And yeah, man, you guys just stay tuned for more. You know what I'm saying? More videos, man. And yeah, man, God bless you, man. Subscribe, hit that like, man. Peace. I'll be back with more content very soon, early December. I'm talking the 3rd, maybe the 4th, somewhere around there. Peace.